In the heart of the wild, a mother's love is the strongest force of all. The elephant shields her newborn with her massive frame, gently guiding tiny, wobbly steps. The lioness, fierce and fearless, teaches her cubs to hunt so they may one day rule the land. A mother penguin braves the brutal cold, keeping her chick nestled beneath her, sacrificing warmth so her baby survives. The orangutan cradles her infant high in the trees, whispering silent lullabies of safety and love. These mothers don't just nurture, they fight, they sacrifice, they endure. Because in nature, as in life, love is the greatest survival instinct of all.